show two different starter motors. This is from an Opel gasoline engine. It is smaller, I believe 0.8, 1.2 kilowatt rated. Those are bigger for diesel. This is Golf 2 with reduction gearing, bigger, thicker wires, thicker brushes, bigger, heavier machine, and they turn opposite way, opposite directions. Even the clutches do not fit together, but you see the difference. Left side, right side turning. And I wanted to show this. This is an SR type starter Selenoid. I'm not sure if it was from coils or magnet type starter motor. I had even Delco Remy. Currently those are Bosch here. What we see, that is Bosch. But this is, I believe, from Delco Remy. It has compensation coil. It is used on Delco alternators to bypass current. It regulates the negative voltage from the battery, so the alternator sees when to charge. So those are used for that purpose, compensation coils, because minus 12 volt and plus 12 volt equals 0, so they use double wires. And this pin, commonly R terminal, it is used for points ignition to bypass some current. Two ignition system with an diode present, because the leads are too long and the voltage is lost to long leads from ignition switch to the coil. So they bypass that problem with the R pin. It could be used as well to momentarily activate the alternator. Anyway, those are compensation coils for turning, for other devices, so it can easily turn ordinary inductors, supposedly. That's their function. And you can actually program this to start a motor with such windings. DC compound motors or Metadyne rotary transformers, you can look at it, how it works. We have here two insulated brushes. You can use two together insulated brushes if you want to use closed loop system, and actually cut this off each brush to program it if you want, creating some sort of starter generator. By the way, this here is the same rotor from Golf 2 starter generator. Here it is, Golf 2 armature starter generator. All tractors use this Bosch generator. This same setup. I'm not sure if this lap wave winding, most commonly it is wave winding, double wave winding, I suppose. I'm not sure, but I wanted to use this armature with those insulated brushes to create some sort of DC converter, flip around those magnets to see what I get. Actually you can get plus minus, minus plus, plus plus, or minus minus if you change arrangement of those magnets. And actually one of those starter motors had three different sets size of magnets, and those pull piece was like this, which is unusual. So we see some differences in sizes, in magnitude, in pull pieces, but this one, for this Golf 2, are same sizes magnets. They even have a little bit edges. On one side they have edges filed, So if magnets lose their magnetism, you can have polarity problems. So probably you should polarize the generator or starter motor to align those magnet fields. I don't see here now currently brushes, but the brush holder, here it is. If you have starting problems, sometimes the brushes wear off, sometimes it's something else, but metallic part here, I believe it is this, the metallic part who screws on the cover, rear cover. It's just like arc welded, blue purple coloring catches here, and the metal cannot conduct to ground, so that might be the problem as well if the starter motor does not work. Please do not hammer those ferrite magnets, because you create more poles, smaller poles, but more phases, I suppose, like some sort AC multi-phase generator. If you break them, you find yourself in trouble. Overheated magnets, ferrite magnets, react to heat, their change voltage temperature to these coils, to these inductors. You find yourself perhaps problems that way. Anyway, this rotor has bigger brushes, this has smaller brushes, smaller gauge wire around this one. It is for a gasoline engine. I don't know how much this is, 1.5, 1.8 kilowatt armature, but I like this because it comes with this planetary gear reduction system. So this is a good project for a generator who you can program by using those insulated brushes. Here they are. 2 of those, you have all 4 brushes insulated. Nice little bit project. And this is normal starter solenoid, how it looks. So those coils can be actually used, and I believe small buzz coils can be made from those starter solenoids. But you can see here clearly difference how it looks. It's a nice little project. We see also a little bit differences. I don't have currently no coil type starter motors to show it, but this is how it looks. Hope you like my videos, and be patient with those magnets. Do not break them, do not overheat them. Clean up points, positive and negative side, so you have clean path. And watch out for those brush wear. Replace brushes. There comes entirely set brushes for those starter motors, brand new. Just place them. Use cable, quench them. There is small spring in this holder, just like this, and then you release. When you are ready to slide it on the commutator, just cut this off when you are ready, and just screw the cover on with the brush holder. Everything is simple.